right, so I'm here for the Sunday stock watch list now. I got a bunch of stuff coming up for this week. There's a lot of continued movement, a lot of stuff going on in the market, a lot of volatility. So their opportunities are here. I hope you guys are starting to pay attention to these a little bit more because they're nearly spot on every single week. Nvidia being one of them, absolutely soared near all-time highs here at 208. Probably going to break this week. And we also had Home Depot and Lowe's on the watch list last week, and Home Depot ripped from their earnings report, gap below, and Lowe's looks unbelievable from 182 to 208. So if you caught either one of those, you killed it. And this week we got right off the bat, we're going to go right to the SPY. You can see I have it zoomed out here for a reason because you can see a huge drop off for the OPEX, a little sky up, a drop off, another drop off for the OPEX. And then the next starts testing all-time highs, drop off again for the OPEX. And then here we are again for the drop off of the OPEX. And now hammered in this bottom, started to reverse. So SPY is on my watch list here above this 444 price. 444 could easily see 445 and then all-time highs again. Whether you want to take weeklies, 2 weeks out or a month out, this seems like a great play above this 444 price to me. I also want to put Wix on my radar here. I'm loving Wix. I love this sell-off crazy right now. I got Wix below this 210 as a support line. So below 210, it'll easily see this 204, 205 price. So puts below 210. Just don't think it's going to get there this week. It's so oversold after their earnings report. And I think this is really gearing up for a reversal here. I think this could easily see 230 this week, maybe 225, 230. But a reversal here on this bull flag breakout, if it bounces off this 210 support, gets through this 220, it's 230 almost instantly, in my opinion. So keep that one on watch for that 210 support line and the break above the 220 price. I also love Roku's dip, and I think it's about time that they're going to start gearing up for the reversal here. It's bounced off this 340. It's kind of bounced a few times and headed lower, so 340 could easily come back down to this 326 range for puts. So break below 340, this will probably drop a little bit more, but I'm really looking for this 351 price to start turning this around. Once it hits this 358 price, probably going to see 366, then 370, and then most likely 380 here in the near future. So I think this might be the bottom here, but this 340 support line for Roku looks really good for me, and I'm in heavily here with some calls and a lot of shares. So Roku's on my high watch, Wix, and SPY. So those are the three big ones this week. And then I always throw in an earnings play in there for Peloton. I'm not going to swing anything into earnings, but I will play the results. So we got Snowflake, CRM, and Peloton this week. And I like all three of those, but I probably won't take any of them beforehand. This is the only chart I like the most just because it's kind of taken a dip from this 130 all the way to 108. So I'm really looking for a reversal here at 107. 107.22, it'll probably break down. And then this 105 price is really where I'm going to start looking for some action. Once the report opens up on Thursday, I'll probably take I'll take a position in it, whether it gaps down or gaps up, just because the most movement happens on earnings plays. But keep on watch of this one to stay above 107 and 105 here for the reversal. Could easily see 110 to 113 again, because when this one moves, it moves pretty big in one direction. So I got 4 on this watch list this week. There's a lot of plays that I got going on my channel that I'm looking for the turnarounds, but 4 that I'm really looking for this week are Peloton, kind of for that earnings play. Then we got Wix, Roku, and SPY, of course. So hope that helps you guys out. And you really should be paying attention to these because they're making a lot of money week in and week out. So catch up next Sunday.